planned, we are currently testing the outer shell of our first airship, Nova 01. We are testing its strength characteristics and checking its airtightness. And already now, you can observe its external appearance, which in the future we will see in the sky. Shamil, tell us what's happening here today. What interesting things can we share with our viewers?
Today we are testing the shell. This shell was made with multiple solutions, which will help us operate it in various conditions. For example, we have the attachment fins here. We can notice that this grommet is used only for the pipe. And we have incorporated additional parameters so that if we lack certain rigidity and the pipe presses into the shell, we place a reinforced pad here, increasing the specific area, and it won't press into the particular shell as much. For the tail fins, we will have servos, and we have laid out these cable channels for their connection.
Shamil, can you tell me what this place is intended for?
On the shell, we will have 4 fins. This place is needed to tie them together with straps and give them enhanced rigidity, such as. Also, a place was made on the shell for a gas valve. In our conditions, it is not used. It serves to regulate the gas volume and, if necessary, to release some helium to lower the flight. Here we have a thruster, and this element is intended for its more secure fixation. The thruster is specifically utilized because at low speeds, the fins cannot handle it effectively, and we use it to turn the airship.
Shamil, our tail section is indeed quite unusual. As I understand it, special stiffening ribs will be inserted into these slots, on which the thruster will be mounted.
These ribs allow for a more rigid fixation. We need the thruster for turning at low speeds because the fins can no longer handle it. The shell itself consists of 12 pedals. One pedal is a segment like this, which runs along the entire length of the shell. The lower pedal has the most elements. Here we can see the pads for the valves and fans. The valves and fans consist of 2 parts. To simply put them on, you need to reach through this hatch and secure them in this unit.
We are not installing them right now because we are testing the shell itself.
Yes, we are doing fittings and tests of the shell.